Hello, welcome to Erddig.
Apples. Apparently they've got 150 different types of apples here at Erddig in North Wales. And we're going to have a look at some of the displays now. The best time to come is in October. It's lovely. Ooh, this is nice.
Now they've got 141 on display.
Oh, have they? But they grow over 150, don't they?
Yeah, 180.
These are incredible, aren't
Got
they?
180 different types of apple tree.
Oh, the smell.
Isn't it beautiful?
It's like a honey, appley, fruity smell.
Oh,
It's quite overwhelming, actually,
lovely,
isn't it?
Oh, smell that. Beautiful.
And aren't they beautifully displayed? There are varieties here that you will never ever find in any supermarket throughout the land, but you may find
Hereford Pomerol.
a very special place like Erddig, where you actually grow all these apples.
I think gorgeous.
Apples and pears.
And it's beautifully displayed, isn't it?
Yeah,
They
what
do
a
this
splendid
every
thing.
year, don't they? It's really nice.
Yeah. All harvested in our own orchard. Apple Festival.
And grapes. Look at this.
Yeah.
Oh, so nice.
Apples galore. What a sight to behold that is.
Smells lovely.
Not to forget quinces. Some lovely quinces there. I'm just taken with the names on some of these varieties
I like some of the names.
and when
as
they
well.
date from. Cockle Pippin, 1800.
And look at this dog snout, 1720s.
Dog snout.
And this one
Yeah.
over here, Peas Good Nonsuch, 1858.
Which one?
That one, it's like a really big apple, isn't it? Baking time. Peas Good Nonsuch, 1858.
Yeah. Really old varieties, heritage varieties of apples. And if it wasn't for places like Erddig, these things would become extinct. And they wouldn't exist anymore. These people would stop growing them.
Tiny, aren't they?
James Squeeze, I've heard of that.
There's a nice variety up there.
Oh, I like that name. It's like Belle de Bosque.
Yeah. Oh, like the Flower of Kent though, 1650.
That's got to be a winner.
It's got to be a winner, isn't it? Is that the earliest? No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Cat's Head, 1629.
Is that the earliest one?
That's the earliest one I can see so far. Earliest recorded, anyway. But although they're recorded at NAM dates, obviously they are older varieties. Probably going back to Tudor times rather than Jacobean.
There's all some bakers in there.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Yeah.
No, that's earlier, 1598.
Oh yes,
Caville Blanc de Hubert.
1598.
It's one of the earliest, isn't it?
But what about this?
I think some of
Oh, no.
Old Permain. Old Permain, 1200
Oh, wow.
AD.
Unbelievable.
What do you reckon to that then? Yeah.
13th century there. Quai de Boeuf.
Royal Russet, 16th century. De Boeuf, 13th century. Again, 1200s.
So that's the earliest then, isn't it?
Quite an impressive place.
It's Sharkspur Golden Delicious, 1959. Year after I was born.
I've got one, 1964.
Have you?
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
1930.
This year we've picked 104 called Bountiful varieties.
Bountiful, Kath.
This one. Next to Hereford Pomeroy. Nicely positioned.
Yeah, there's only one of them, so it must
Exactly,
be
that's what I thought.
a rare year that was. What about Sussex Mother? 1800. Quite like that.
They're tiny, aren't they? Which is the smallest then? I think it must be
Norfolk Beauty,
this one here.
1901.
Which is this one?
It's incomparable. I bet that each and every one of them has a different flavour, different texture, different everything.
Colour.
So much richer and less bland than you can get in the supermarkets. The apple harvest at Erddig. Look at these boxes. Obviously for sale.
So they sell them to onto like
Local shops,
Retailers,
visitors to the
centre.
centre. So it's a bit of extra money for the National Trust.
But isn't it great to keep the varieties alive?
Yeah, isn't it just?
Amazing.
See boxes of them here. Quinces as well. It's like stepping back in time, isn't it? Boxes of them. Okay, shall we enjoy the rest of the garden now? Lovely.
Sign.
Please help us by leaving our apples to grow on the trees. Fruit sales support our conservation work. We celebrate 150 varieties of apples grown a year each October.
Oh, you said 180 before?
150 plus, Kath, it said.
Ah, yeah. So maybe they've actually got 180 trees.
Yeah. No, varieties.
Varieties, sorry. Yeah.
But 150 plus, because I don't suppose anybody really knows. So it's cream tea time at Erddig. Erddig. So the ancient English.
let's have having tea.
The ancient English tradition of having a cream tea.
Yeah, but there's a very crucial decision to make here.
What is that?
Does the cream go on first, or does the jam go on first, depending on what part of the country you're from?
True.
There you go. So I'm heading for the cream.
But it's a Devon and Cornwall thing, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is actually, not Wales.
So
Put
it's
it
kind of
on.
like
It's either way, yeah.
in Cornwall they put the jam on first,
Yeah.
and in Devon they put the cream on.
But why not put the cream on one, jam on there, jam and cream on the other?
Oh, it doesn't really matter, does it? Oh, does it matter? It does to some people.
You're going to eat it anyway.
True. So we're going to enjoy this now, aren't we, Kat?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Nice. Thank you.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, where you'll get more recipe advice,
Yes.
eating foodie stuff from our new food and bakery channel.
That's a new one on me.